Command Post, this is Detail Leader, en route to the limousines. We have the principal in pocket and we're ready to move. As a Secret Service agent, my job was to keep heads of state alive. One of the most important weapons in my arsenal were my sunglasses. On one very bright and sunny morning, while protecting the King and Queen of Spain, I found myself in a bad tactical position. I forgot my sunglasses. And if you can't see the threat, you can't stop it. It was on that very day I was inspired to create Rennie's Keeper. Hi, I'm Rennie Rodriguez, former Secret Service Special Agent, Navy veteran, and inventor of Rennie's Keeper. This patented eyeglass holster solves a time-consuming problem that millions of people face every day: misplaced eyewear. The innovative hourglass and clip design keeps your glasses safe and secure. It attaches to any button or clips onto any pocket or belt, vertically or horizontally. From paramedics to the military and everyone in between. It's a simple, affordable solution for people who struggle to keep an eye on their eyewear. I've spent years designing Rennie's Keeper and recently won the University of Central Florida's Veterans Pitch Contest. Rennie's Keeper is a must-add to your arsenal in the war against misplaced and damaged eyewear. Thanks for your support.